Today I am going to teach you how to submit a cease and desist FTC letter to a collection agency. We're going to be using a fax methodology that I have. So the first thing I typically do is the client, thank God, told me the name of the company. So what I typically do is I'll go online and search out the company, which I had done previously right here, to find out the information for the business. I usually use the fax number. So I did some searching on this to find out where it could be. Had to get to a lower level company that would actually figure this out. I found here where the company was, that they had the fax number for the business. So I clicked on this company, scrolled down, and they had their fax number here, which is fantastic. So we know that information is on point. Typically, if I want to do this, I always just copy and paste, but let's just go back here to one area I need to go to. I'm going to open up my Google Drive, go to my templates folder, and open up my collection letters. In the collection letter, you'll see C&D FTC letter. This is the template that I use for disputing these accounts. So I open this up, and I will basically take the information that's listed here, copy it directly from the website, and paste it on this page. Actually, I'm going to put it right down here. I use this to format program accordingly. And then I'll remove all this information here to format it properly, because realistically I'm only going to do the fax number. So I'll say sent via fax. There's the fax number. I need to know the name of the company, which we know is now Halstead Financial Services. So I need to copy this information right here. Oops. Come on, stop doing that. I'll put it right there. Copy the same template, format, and this client is the same client. Its name's Leighton Wood, so I'll be using that information. Now, Leighton was nice enough to give me the information that I needed to dispute this. So I'll show you what I'm doing is copying the name and putting it in the letter. So the greatest thing about the C&D letter, or cease and desist, is we're sending it to the name of the company directly. It's not anybody except the company that sent the letter to the client. They're the ones who are trying to collect on it, but they don't have a contract with the client. So we're using this letter to basically stipulate these new relationships. I'm not going to be including this information right here because it's not necessary. There's no FTC report we need to include. I probably could include it if I wanted to. Actually, I'm going to do that. I'm going to send actually, I'm not going to do that. So let's go here. Let's go right here and delete this. So this letter has now been basically saved, or sort of saved. So I want to make sure I save it. So I'm going to come File and then Save As. Save it in Leighton Wood's folder. And this is going to be Wood Leighton. And this is a C&D letter for Halstead. So Halstead. Oops. And it's dated today's date, which is going to be the 18th. And then we're going to save it here. And we're also going to save it as a PDF. So File, Save As, and save as a PDF here in the Save As type. And then it's going to be saved in the same folder under the main frame of where he's at. Save As. Save it there. So this letter is now ready. We don't need to sign it. There's no need for a signature. Ooh, wrong name. I need to change that, don't I? That's something that I have differently. So Wood. Now I can save this and then save it as a PDF. So that's been saved. Come back to Save As. Save in this folder. PDF. And save. We're going to overwrite this one. And that's now been saved. All right, the next step we're going to do is we're going to fax this to the company. So there's a company or site that I have called MetroFax. So it's metrofax.com. I will give you the login information. I have mine saved in my computer, so when I log in, it's already there. But there's the phone number we're using. You just say log in. It's really easy. You're going to love this. So you'll say send faxes. And we're going to put this into the legal department. And this is for Halstead. So I put it look like this, Halstead. Save it. And page department. And the company is Halstead Financial Services. And the phone number we have in this little page here. So we're going to go back up to the top here, copy this here, paste it in there, and then you're going to add it. So now this is being added to this folder. So now being the recipient list. We don't need a cover letter. I'm just going to uncheck that box, say choose file, come back to the client's folder, click on Wood, and Lighten's right there. And since we're doing the Halstead one, you want to only send the PDF. So the document right there we just created, you see the time is 7/11, 5/18, Halstead, FTC, C&D letter, and then hit send. Now this is going to send out that letter to that company. They're going to receive the fax, and then when they do, we're going to get a confirmation. So those are the steps on how to send a fax for a cease and desist letter to a collection agency and or attorney. We always want to make sure we have all the information for that file, and then we can use this method where we're creating the letter itself, saving it to the client's folder, and then sending it via MetroFax. And when you get a confirmation, we can save it in the client's folder as well. You'll typically get an email in that, or if we want to look and see when it's been sent, you can look at view faxes, and you'll come into this list here of faxes, and you'll just go to sent. And then when it's been sent, it will show it's been sent successfully. It's like the last one I sent was on the 16th. There you go. And so anytime they'll go and they'll just, that's our record, that's our copy. We always make sure we have saved copies of everything for the clients. If you have any questions, please use this video as reference. And if you have any further questions, you can talk to your manager.